Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing deliberately. Close Chrome, back up your profile, and confirm you have admin rights so you can run commands. Once done, choose whether you want a temporary per-launch bypass or a persistent setting change. For immediate work, we'll use a per-launch approach. That keeps your normal profile safe. Make sure to note your operating system because the exact command format differs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now you're ready to create the command or flag line that disables HTTPS enforcement for this session. You'll now run Chrome with flags that bypass secure enforcement. On Windows, open cmd as admin and run Chrome. exe userdata equals c, \temp\chrome test, disable web security unsafely treat insecure origin as secure equals http://localhost 3000. On Mac/Linux, adjust the binary path and quotes accordingly. These flags disable same origin and certificate checks for that profile only, which is why you used a test userdata. Make sure to limit the origin list and only use this method for local development or troubleshooting. To finish, close the flagged Chrome instance and restart Chrome normally. Your main profile's security will be intact. If Chrome still forces HTTPS, check for enterprise policies via Chrome, //policy, and disable antivirus HTTPS inspection, which can reintroduce certificate issues. If you need to revert a setting, go to Settings, Privacy, and Security and turn off any experimental flags you used. One key troubleshooting tip. If pages show certificate errors, clear the test profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.